Good morning and welcome to another exciting day here at Granite City Cell Phone Repair. I've got a few repairs scheduled for today. My first though is in Dobson to replace the camera lens on an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yeah, so my customer was referred to me by one of the carrier stores in Mt Airy. They sent me a text yesterday evening, so got everything set up for this morning. Having a broken camera lens can affect photo quality, definitely if those cracks are interfering with the photos. It can also allow dirt, dust, debris, and moisture to get inside the phone. So it's important if you have a broken camera lens, get it replaced as soon as possible to protect the integrity of your phone and the camera. Alright, so here's our 14 Pro Max. As you can see, bottom camera lens is broken. Customer explained that he's going to trade this phone in, and in order to do that trade in and get full value, we need to replace that camera lens, have it looking brand spanking new so he can get full value for his trade-in. So stay tuned.
Into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
All right, man, that looks terrific. As good as new. All right, thanks for tuning in today. Another successful repair, another happy customer. And while you're here, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button. You definitely do not want to miss the next video where I'll be introducing my new employee who I hired for marketing and some advertising. You definitely don't want to miss that. So until then, take care.